Today we're going to be checking our bees. It's November 3rd. We're going to close up the hives that we can, and then we're also going to vaporize them so that we can do one last treatment for varroa mites. We're going to be treating with some oxalic dehydrate, which should eliminate all the varroa mites. If there's any mites left in the brood chamber, this will take care of them. And if there's any mites left on the adult bees, this will also take care of them. Because we're working with oxalic acid, it's pretty harsh on the respiratory system. I've accidentally smelled it a few times and it's awful. It just smells terrible. So yeah, we'll get this bad boy put on and then we'll start vaporizing our bees. So this is the system we're going to be using. Torch, held by a set screw, vaporizer. We'll put the acid inside of this little hole here, and then the vapor will come out of the front. And after every hive, I'll cover the entrance with a towel to ensure the vapor stays in there for a few moments. And just like that, we were able to get all of our hives treated. It took no longer than half an hour to get them all treated with oxalic acid, round 1. I'm going to be doing one more round just to ensure that I got all the varroa mites, because I've had a hard time wintering, and I'm hoping that this is my first tour. I've had successful winters, but I would like to have a more successful winter, so this is just one more step to ensure that I can have a successful winter and active hives when the spring comes. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. We're just going to tidy up and get out of here.